am Dr. W.P. Gundure from Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the structure and bonding of metal nitrosyl, in which the important compound is a sodium nitroprusside. Already we have seen the preparation, chemical reactions and the applications of sodium nitroprusside. So in today's part we are discussing the structure and bonding of sodium nitroprusside, and also we are discussing the linear and bent structure of NO group. So today's topic is metal nitrosyl, and this is the part number 5, and in this part we are discussing the topics are what is metal nitrosyl, structure and bonding in sodium nitroprusside, and linear and bent NO groups. So these are the important topics, and in which the important compound is a sodium nitroprusside. As we know, already we have seen the preparation, applications and chemical reactions of sodium nitroprusside. Now this is the structure and bonding in case of sodium nitroprusside, and formula of the sodium nitroprusside is the Na2 FeCN5NO plus. Therefore the name of this compound, also we can say that what is the sodium pentacyanoferrate nitrosyl ferrate. So this is the important compound, and in this case, as we know, structure and bonding, so this is the important compound. Name of this compound is a sodium nitroprusside, and another name is sodium pentacyanonitrosyl ferrate. Because ferrate means because it is there because the metal is a part of negative complex ion. And according to the valence bond theory, VBT, formation of sodium nitroprusside can be explained as given in this slide. As we know, in this complex, Fe is the atomic number, what is the metal, and atomic number of Fe is 26. So electronic configuration of Fe ion having atom number 26 argon 3d6 4s2 in the ground state. So so there are 6 electrons in d orbital. So configuration is shown here 3d6 4s2. Fe orbital number 26. So in the ground state, electronic configuration is 3d6 4s2, and 3d orbital have 6 electrons, 4s orbital have 2 electrons, which are shown here 3d6 4s2. So 6 electron and this 2 electron. Now the electronic configuration of Fe2 plus, because in this complex Fe have 2 plus charge. Fe have 2 plus charge, and therefore in this case Fe is now 2 plus, so 2 electron is lost from Fe. So 2 electron lost from 4s. So here is no any electron. 2 electron from 4s are lost because 2 plus charge is there. And after that rearrangement again, now Fe is in a Fe2 plus in a excited state. So we have to make these 2 orbital vacant, and these 2 electrons are shifted here. Shown here, this electron is here and this electron shifted here. Now here, see now, these are the electrons paired and these 2 orbitals made vacant. So this is the Fe2 plus after rearrangement. We can say that first is a Fe in ground state, second Fe2 plus configuration, third Fe2 plus after rearrangement or in excited state. So the configuration is here 3d6 and these orbitals are made vacant. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this case 2d orbital, 1 s orbital and 3p orbital undergo hybridization and forming 6 d2 sp3 hybrid orbital of equivalent energy and shape. So again I am repeating here what is 2d orbital, 1 s and 3p orbital undergo hybridization and forming d2 sp3 6, forming 6 d2 sp3 hybrid orbital of equivalent energy. So these 6 orbitals are vacant, and now there are 6 ligand here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 5 CN group and one nitrosyl. So these 6 ligand donate electron pair to the vacant d2 sp3 hybrid orbital, and these 3 orbitals having 2 electron each. So this is the step, last step, formation of complex, formation of sodium nitroprusside. So this is the complex formation. In this case, these 3 orbitals are having paired electron, and vacant orbital here accept electron from the 6 ligand. So these are the 6 coordinate bond. So 6 D2sp3 hybrid orbital accept electron pair donated by the 5Cn and 1NO and forming 6 coordinate bond. Therefore, because of the D2sp3 hybridization, the shape of the molecule is a octahedral in shape. So this is according to valence bond theory. So here this is the electronic configuration of Fe in ground state. This is after loss of 2 electron. This is the configuration of Fe2 plus. This is the configuration after rearrangement. So these electrons are rearranged and 2 d orbitals are made vacant. These orbitals undergo hybridization and forming 6 D2sp3 hybrid orbital, and this is the formation of complex 6 ligand donate electron pair and forming 6 D2sp3 and forming 6 coordinate bond. Therefore, because of the D2sp3 hybridization, the shape of this compound or molecule or complex is a octahedral, which is shown here. This is the structure. Central metal line is Fe, 5Cn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is one nitrosyl and having the complex ion having the 2 minus charge because Na2 is there. So Na having plus 1, 2 are there, so 2 plus and 2 minus complex. So this is the complex compound. So this is the structure, octahedral structure of sodium nitroprusside, important compound of metal nitrosyl, and forming these 6 coordinate bonds. These are the bonds shown. Cn donate electron pair to the Fe, vacant orbital of Fe. This is the coordinate bond shown by arrow. 6 arrow are there. Here also they show coordinate bond are shown by the arrow. So this is the structure, octahedral structure of sodium nitroprusside. And as we know, Fe2 plus undergo D2sp3 hybridization. Therefore, the complex is octahedral in shape. It is now inner orbital complex because we are using the d orbital, inner d orbital. Therefore, it is inner orbital octahedral complex. Inner orbital octahedral complex. All the electrons are paired, so complex is diamagnetic in nature. In the complex formation, see here, in the formation of complex, all electrons are paired. No single unpaired electrons are there. Therefore, the complex is diamagnetic in nature. According to the CFT, it is also low spin complex because no unpaired electron, and according to the CFT, it is also shown that the complex is a low spin complex and with the configuration T2G6 Eg0. So in case of octahedral in CFT, T2G having low energy, Eg having higher energy. So 6 electrons are there. The 6 electrons go to the T2G and therefore it is a low spin, and 3 electron pairs are there. So the configuration, CFT configuration is T2G6 Eg0. T2G have 6 electrons and Eg have 0 electrons. So all electrons are paired, so the complex is diamagnetic in nature in CFT also. So this is about structure and bonding of sodium nitroprusside. Now next important topic is linear and bent NO group in the metal nitrosyl. There are also 2 types of NO group, linear NO and the bent NO. And in this case, linear and bent NO group in the metal nitrosyl. In metal nitrosyl, ligands are generally NO plus or NO minus, and there is a formation of metal NO bond, may be linear or bent. So here in metal nitrosyl, ligands may be NO plus or NO minus. So formation of M-NO bond between metal and NO, it may be linear or bent. Most of the metal nitrosyl contain linear bond, metal NO linear bond, but few metal nitrosyls also have bent M-NO bond. So some majority are having linear, but some of the metal nitrosyls also have the metal NO bond is a bent. So we are bent and linear. Structure of the NO group is shown here. These are the linear structures. So here this is the metal, this is the NO, and this is NO plus and donate electron pair to the metal. So this is the linear NO group, and nitrogen is hybridized. So in this case, this is the metal and this is the NO, and this is a double bond between these two. So what is here, sigma and pi bond is there, both are similar. So this bond is shifted here, and therefore it is also shown here. So this is in this case, so there is a formation of bond in this way, metal NO, this is also linear, this is also linear. So linear nitrogen, so hybridized. So linear structure is there of NO group. and in some cases there is also bent. In this case, nitrogen is sp hybridized. When nitrogen is sp hybridized, then it shows the linear structure, and when the nitrogen is having sp2 hybridized, then it has a bent structure. See here, nitrogen lone pair, and this is the bent structure of NO. This is the bend, this is the coordinate bond with the metal, and this is the bend, and this is linear. When nitrogen sp, then linear. When nitrogen is sp2 hybridized, then show bent NO group. So these are the two types, bent NO and linear NO. These two types are present in the metal nitrogen. And when nitrogen of NO is sp hybridized, then NO is linear. Okay, so when nitrogen of NO is hybridized, sp hybridized, then NO is linear. When it is sp2 hybridized, then NO is bent. And it is also observed that when metal has non-bonding molecular orbital, that is electron poor, then it can accept lone pair from the nitrogen. When the metal has non-bonding molecular orbital, that is electron poor, in that case it can accept lone pair from the nitrogen. On the other side, NO is a sp sigma donor through lone pair having linear geometry. We can say that NO is sp sigma donor through lone pair having the linear geometry. On the other side, when metal has low lying orbital already filled, that is electron rich, then lone pair remain in non-bonding orbital of nitrogen. Then it has bent, that is trigonal geometry. So it has a bent structure. So linear NO has more pi back bonding tendency as compared to bent NO. Linear have more pi back bonding as compared to bent NO. Linear and bent NO can be present in some complexes shown. Here example is shown. One example. In that case, linear NO can be present in some complex. And example is Ru NO2 Cl PPST2. So this is the complex of metal carbonyl nitrogen in which bent NO show bond angle 138. In this both are there. A bent NO show bond angle 138 degree. Linear NO show bond angle 178. So which is shown here. This is the ruthenium. This is Cl PPST2 are there, and this is the NO. And this is another NO. So two NO are there. So here is a bent NO, and this is the linear NO. This is the structure of this metal carbonyl. So in which two nitroses are there, but one is a linear and second is a bent. So angle is 138, here 178 in case of linear. And these are the three another ligands. So this is the structure of this metal carbonyl in which both bent and linear NO groups are present. And due to more pi back bonding, Ru NO bond is short, and bent Ru NO bond length is 186. NO bond length is between bond length between N and oxygen. NO bond length is 116 picometer in linear, and it is 117 picometer in bent. So this bond length is also shown. The NO linear in case of bent. So 116 and 117 in the bent. So this is the structure, and in which both linear and bent NO groups are present in the compound. And so we can say that bent structure or bent NO present in some of the complex, but majority of the metal nitrogen contain linear NO groups. And next slide shows the bridging NO is also there. Bridging NO is sp2 hybridized, and it is shown how it is hybridized. So these are the two metals in which this NO is act as a bridge between the two metals. So this nitrogen is a sp2 hybridized. So bridging NO is sp2 hybridized as shown in this slide. And in this case, stereochemical chemical control. And in this case, NO is a linear. In first complex, when NCS is added, thiocyanate is added, NO become bent. So this is the one of the structure here, that stereochemically controlled. We can say NO is a linear. In the first complex, when thiocyanate is added, NO become bent. So see here, linear here, see the structure. This is the cobalt for arsenic, and here here is the this is the NO which is linear. But when NCS is added, it become bent. So it is shown in a second. So in this way, structure, linear and bent NO group present in the metal nitrosil. So this is about the structure and bonding of sodium nitroprusside and linear and bent NO group present in the metal nitrosil. So in today's part, as we have seen, the important what is here, that we have seen the important part, structure and bonding of metal nitrosil, and also the we can say the linear and bent NO. So in today's part we have discussed the structure and bonding in sodium nitroprusside important compound having the octahedral shape, and the remaining, that is linear and bent NO group, also present in the metal nitrosil. Linear NO group present in most of the metal nitrosil. In some of the metal nitrosil also have bent structure and bent NO group, that we have discussed in today's part.